In this video, I'll show you how you can make a website for free. So if you want to build your own website without having any technical skills or experience, then you need to watch this video. Alright, so let's just get into this right away. For this tutorial, I'm going to be using WIX. Now WIX is a website builder that's going to help you build your own website for free. You want to go to the WIX website, click on Get Started right here, and you can then sign up for a free account. Now, I already have an account because I've been using this platform for a while now, but if you don't have an account yet, you can click on sign up right here, and you can then sign up for an account by email, or you can continue with Facebook, or even continue with Google. Now, like I said, I already have an account, so I'm going to sign into my account, and I'm going to set up a brand new website. So once you're signed into your account, you can click on create new website, and you can then get started. Now, the reason why I like Wix is because they have a system that's going to set up the entire website for you within a matter of minutes, and you can customize all of that. So once you start this, they're going to ask you a few questions to help basically understand what kind of website you're trying to build. So you can choose a business website, designer, food, fitness, events, music. You can choose all of these. Now I'm just going to go with a blog for this video. That's just for the sake of this video. Next up, we've got a very important choice to make. So we can either let the WIX ADI system create a website for us. So we're going to answer a few simple questions, and they're automatically going to set up a brand new website for you in just a matter of minutes, like I said in the intro. Or you can create your website with the WIX editor. Now, like I said, if you don't have any experience, if you've never made a website before, I highly recommend choosing the WIX ADI system, because all you need to do is answer a few questions, and they're basically going to create an entire website for you, which you can then later on customize as well. If you want to, you can choose this as well. I personally like this one, so I'm going to click on Start Now, and then I'm going to show you how you can set up your website within 5 minutes. So you can do that by answering these questions. So by answering these questions, you're going to help Wix understand what kind of website you're trying to create. So by doing this, you can create a good website. Now, first of all, you would enter your business or website type. So let's say that you own a food company. You can type in food. You can then choose from all of these different categories. As you can see right there are tons of categories. Let's say that you're building a sport website. You can type in sport. You'll then find all of these categories, and you can do that with basically anything. Let's say that you want to have a website about dogs. You can then type in dog, and you'll find all of these. Now, I own a YouTube channel, so I'm going to type in YouTube, and right there I can also choose YouTube channel. Next up, once you've chosen your category, you can click on next, and you can choose what kind of features you want on your website. Now, these are the recommended ones for my blog. So a video tab, an Instagram feed tab, pricing plans, and a live chat. And you can customize this. So I don't need pricing plans. I don't need a chat. I don't need an Instagram feed. I do need a video tab, so I'm going to keep that one. If you scroll down, you can customize this for your website as well. So let's say that you want to add a subscribe form so that people can opt in your email list. You can then do that. You can add music. You can build an online store, bookings. All of this is customizable, and you can add all of that right now or later on. So I'm going to click on next, and I've only selected the video tab and the subscribe form. Next up, you're going to enter the name of your website. So I'm going to do that right now. How to Digital, which is the channel name. If you're new here, by the way, please subscribe and leave a like on the video. I would appreciate that. But let me continue with the video. So next up, you can actually add a YouTube channel if you have any. Now, like I said, I have a YouTube channel, and this site will be about my YouTube channel. So I'm going to go to youtube.com. I'm going to copy my channel link, and I can then add that to my website. So if I just search for my channel real quick, How to Digital. Okay, so I had a typo, but I can still find it. I can then copy the link, and I can then add that onto my website so that people can easily find my website. You can also do that with existing websites and Google Places. So let's say that you have like a local store, an actual store. You can then add your Google Place on your website so that people will be able to find your store and locate it through your website. So that's something that you can do as well if you have a local store. Once you're done with this, you can click on next, and this is where you can review and edit your information. So first of all, you can add a logo to your website. I'm going to do that because I have a logo, of course. So I'm going to add my channel logo. You can then customize all of the info, but for me, all of this information is already correct. I can add my Instagram if I want to, but I don't really use Instagram for my YouTube channel, so it's fine like this. Click on next, and right here you can pick a theme. Now don't worry, if you pick a theme that you later on don't like, you can always like change that. So don't worry too much about this. I'm gonna go with, let's see what seems nice. I'm gonna go with luxury since that seems pretty cool. So choose a theme and then you can continue. Now right here you can choose whether you want the Wix ADI system to use your to use the colors that are also in your logo. So I'm gonna do that. So click on create palette. It's then gonna analyze the colors in your logo. All of these are correct. You can then click on use these colors, and what they're gonna do, they're basically gonna use the colors from your logo on your website, so that, like in my opinion, that makes it look very nice. Once you're done with that, you can actually pick your favorite homepage design. So once these load, you can actually choose them. Now you can check out these designs. So let's see which one I like the most. I don't like this one, don't really like this one, so I'm gonna go with this one. You can then click on use design, or you can also skip this if you don't like any of these, or if you just want to skip that part. But I'm gonna go with that, like the third design. Now once that's done, they're basically gonna build your entire website. So what they're doing right now is they're building a website based on the answers you gave them. But like I said, if you don't like how it turns out, you can always customize that later on in the process. But in my opinion, it's a great job by the ADI system, because as you can see right there, I now have this entire website ready to go if I want to. Like, let's say that this was the perfect website for me, I could then publish it and I'm done. So that's how you can do this within a matter of minutes. But like I said, you can also customize it. So let's say that I don't like this right here. I can then click on edit and I can start customizing my website. So let's say that I want to customize the subtitle right here. You can then click right there. You can change the colors. So you can change any color, like you can change it from black to blue to red to white, whatever. But black seems kind of nice for this one. Now right there you can choose to change the text as well. So How to Digital is all about solving your tech problems. So you can then put in solving your, and then you can put in tech problems, just like that. You can then select that. You can make it bold if you want to. And right now we have How to Digital, solving your tech problems. Let's say that that's my slogan. I can then add that right here. Now right here we have a video tab, which we can customize as well. You can also move these tabs down or up. So let's say that I click on move down. I would then have my YouTube channel show up right here, which is great, especially if you're trying to promote YouTube videos. So if people would visit my website, they would then find this tab. If they then click right here, I can send them over to my YouTube videos or my YouTube channel in general. So you can do that by clicking right here, and then you can choose whether you want to display YouTube videos. Click on it always if you want to, and by doing so, as you can see right there, these are now my YouTube videos. I can select 4, I can select 2 of them. I kind of like 3, so I'm gonna select 3, and people will then be able to find my YouTube videos. Now you cannot do this with you cannot only do this with YouTube videos, you can do this with literally anything. You can feature photos, videos, articles, products. You can basically feature anything on there. So that's why I like the Wix ADI system. We've now got this. I'm gonna move this up as well. I kind of like this at the top, so oops, that's my bad. Move up and then move up again. So you see, like this is pretty easy to use, and you can customize all of this. So I kind of screwed up here because I moved these around, which is not in the right order as of right now. Now this is pretty much how you can build your website. You can customize all of this. You can also find tutorials on here, but let's say that you're done with your website, you can click on publish right here, and you can then come up with a domain name. So let's say How to Digital YouTube. That's then going to be your domain. You can also connect an existing domain if you want to, if you have one already. Click on publish and continue, and by doing that, your website will now be available public and you can go live with your website. Now this is pretty much how you can easily build a website with Wix without any experience within a matter of minutes. So what I've just done, I've created a website for my YouTube channel. So I can click right here on view site. If people are gonna visit my website, if I send them over to my website, they will then be able to find out more information about my channel. So right here, I can put some photos from myself or about my channel. If I then scroll down, people can contact me. Okay, so like I said, I've got this in the wrong order. And here they can find my YouTube videos. Now this is very powerful, as you can see right here. People can click on play video and they will then pretty much be able to watch my YouTube video right here. It's embedded in the website and I can get views, I can grow my channel, and I can do more stuff with that. But this is how powerful the Wix ADI system is. Now, like I said, you can customize all of this again. Now, this is pretty much what I wanted to show you guys in this video. If you guys enjoyed this video, please consider leaving a like. Let me know in the comment section down below if you're going to use it and what kind of website you're going to make, and then I'll see you next time. Have a good day. If this video helped you out, please consider subscribing to my channel to help me grow the largest how-to channel on YouTube. I appreciate it.